Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today I'll be making this crunchy Nigerian chin. Yeah, come along with me as I get started. Now, on this chin, I will need my sugar. That's my half cup of sugar, my butter, 250 gram. I dissolve it so to enable me to use easily. That's my 1 egg, baking powder, 2 tablespoons, and a pinch of salt, my 1 spoon of cinnamon. Yeah, secret to spicy chin. Add your cinnamon. This is my 500 grams of flour, and the water I will be using for this mixture. Alright guys, so now what I will be doing now guys is to go ahead and add my dried ingredient, the baking powder, the salt, the sugar, and I swear my cinnamon. Cinnamon is so nice in chin. When you add your cinnamon to the chin, it gives it this variety of taste that you would really enjoy. If you have not been adding cinnamon to your chin, just try it and you will testify. Now guys, my hand are properly washed. I will go ahead and use my hand. I find it comfortable using my hand to mix rather than using my gloves. If you do not want to use your glove, you can as well. If you don't want to use your hand, you can as well use your gloves. Alright guys, so my hands are properly washed. That's why I'm using it now for the mixture. Then I've added my egg. Yeah, another secret to crunchy chin is for you to add egg. Sometimes I do make my chin too without egg, but if you really want it to be crunchy, add egg. And I swear the butter too. Make sure your butter is enough, not more than your mixture, your flour, just the normal size. Everything will be fine. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and start mixing that dough gently and mix. Just follow these footsteps and you will come out testifying about your crunchy chin. Alright guys, so can you see I've actually mixed the butter properly to the flour. Now can you see? Yeah, do not rub it hardly too much, just gently. Be friendly while mixing combining your butter together with your flour. Be friendly with it, okay, with your flour. Mix it gently. That is another secret again to your crunchy chin. Alright guys, yeah. So guys, while doing this, I will actually want to rant a little bit. Okay family, you know we are family here, so I actually want to say, if today is the first time of joining this family, please, I would like you to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Please guys, support me. Okay guys, I'm actually putting all my effort to make sure I put up video every week for my friends and family to watch. So, and if you have just been glancing, you have not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe to my channel. Support your guests, support this family, support this ministry, support my platform, encourage me to put up video. Alright guys, yeah. So my dough has been properly mixed. You can see that I did not match it too much. My dough was just, I make everything to be gentle. Don't be hard on your dough. Yes, your dough will come out, your chicken will come out, will I say, very strong and hard like rock. Just make it gently, mix it gently and friendly. So I will go ahead and roll the chin. Alright guys. I eat a lot of chin chin, and guys, I don't like the outcome of it. Sometimes it's hard. When you're eating chin chin, at the end you go and take Panadol or paracetamol for what? Chin chin has to be crunchy. So follow this step, and bet me, you will testify. So you roll it. Actually, the sizes, the shape you will need for your chin chin is actually what your desired shape. You can cut it to your desired shape. It's not compulsory. You have to cut it to the shape I want. Okay, I'm doing now. Just cut it to your desired shape. All right, guys. So back to what I was saying. Please, guys, support this channel. Subscribe. When you do subscribe, it gives me the courage to put up more videos, more cooking videos. All right. And so you may know, I will be uploading video every Wednesdays and Saturdays. Okay, all right, guys. So every Wednesday and Saturdays, try to check your mail. And again, as you are subscribing, do also hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload my videos, you will be notified and pump in to watch it. All right, guys. Please do support my channel, guys. Support. Sharing is allowed. Do share this video. If you find it interesting, share, support your girl, right, guys? It's not easy to put on videos, all right? I just want to share. I feel we are friends, we are family. I want to share my handwork. I don't just want to be selfish and do it alone without putting it out for you guys there to see. So please, if you need more videos, more recipe, subscribe to my channel. I need more subscription. Subscribe to my channel. Support your girl. Like my video. Alright, share. Tell your friends and loved ones about my recipes. Ask them to check it out, and do ask them to subscribe. Alright, guys. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate. May God bless you and grant you your heart desires. Also, guys, that has been cut. Can you see? Chin chin is very easy. Chin chin is very, very easy to bake, to fry, and to process. Whatsoever language you want to use, chin chin is so easy to prepare. So just follow my step and everything will be fine. And remember, secret to a crunchy chin chin, your butter should be there enough. Do not make it excess, and also your egg should be there. Yeah, you can as well mix your dough without egg, but I bet you egg is another secret to crunchy chin chin, and as well your butter, right, guys? Okay, now, and please avoid adding more flour. Yeah, do not add much flour to your chin chin while cutting it. All right, now my oil is on the heat. I'll go ahead and start frying it. So, guys, another secret again to your crunchy chin chin: do not allow your heat to be much. Put it on a medium one. All right, make sure your heat is on a medium flame, because when it's too high, it will make the chin chin dry so fast, and at the end it will not be crunchy, it will be hard, and you wouldn't want to see that. All right, guys? Okay, can you see that? It has to cook gently. Make it fried gently. Okay, you keep on frying it. Can you see the color now? You fry until the color of the chin chin become golden. Can you see? guys, this chin chin was so yummy. I'm not exaggerating. Yeah, it was so yummy. All right, try it out and share it to your friends. I'm not selfish on this platform. I share whatsoever experience I know. I share whatsoever recipe I know. I share it so that you guys will learn. So please share to your families and friends and loved ones, okay? And ask them to come to my channel. So guys, just follow this process until the whole dough is being fried. Alright guys, once again I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you. I really appreciate. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless you all for stopping by. And please do not forget, hit the subscription bell. If you have not subscribed, support your girl, support my platform. Alright guys, can you see? And do not over fry it. Do not leave it on the heat to become very. Sometimes some chin chins, when they come out very black, and in fact I don't know the color I will give to this chin chin, and it is never attractive. Make your chin chin to be attractive. Can you see the color? Do you see the color of the chin chin? And that is it.